Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Made Easy with Lilian. I am Lilian, and I am so happy you are here today.
Hello everyone. I am Sunny. I am ready to learn some new English with you all.
How are you doing today, Sunny?
I am doing very well, thank you, Lilian. I am feeling energetic today. How are you?
I am great, thanks. Today, we have a very useful topic for our listeners. We are going to talk about hobbies and free time.
Oh, that is a good topic. Everyone likes to talk about what they do for fun.
Exactly. When you meet new people, they often ask, "What do you do in your free time?" So, today we will practice this conversation.
That sounds perfect.
Here is our plan for today. First, Sunny and I will have a natural conversation. Second, we will explain the difficult words. And third, we will practice speaking together.
I am ready. Let's start.
So, Sunny, tell me about your weekend. Did you have much free time?
Yes, I did. My weekend was very relaxing. I did not work on Saturday or Sunday.
That is nice. What did you do?
On Saturday morning, I went to the park. The weather was sunny and warm. I walked for about 1 hour.
Walking is good exercise. Did you go alone?
No, I went with my dog. He loves the park. After that, I went to a coffee shop and read a book.
I love reading in coffee shops. It is very cozy. What kind of book are you reading?
It is a mystery novel. It is about a detective who solves crimes. It is very exciting. Do you like reading, Lilian?
Yes, I do. But recently, I have been very busy. I usually read before I go to sleep.
What is your favorite hobby, Lilian?
My favorite hobby is cooking. I love making dinner for my friends.
Really? What is your best dish?
I make really good pasta. I make the tomato sauce from scratch. It takes a long time, but it tastes delicious.
That sounds amazing. I am not a good cook. I prefer to eat, not to cook.
That is a good hobby too, Sunny. Eating is everyone's favorite hobby.
What else do you do in your free time?
I like gardening. I have many plants on my balcony. Taking care of them makes me feel calm.
I tried to keep a plant once, but it died. I think gardening is difficult.
It just takes practice. Maybe next time, try a cactus. They are very easy to take care of.
That is a good idea. I will try a cactus.
Okay, listeners, that was our conversation. Did you understand everything?
Maybe there were some new words. Let's look at them.
Good idea. The first word we used is relaxing. Sunny, you said your weekend was relaxing. What does that mean?
Relaxing means it was calm and peaceful. I was not stressed. I rested.
Perfect. If you sit on the sofa and watch a movie, that is relaxing.
The next word is novel. You asked me about my book, and I said it was a mystery novel.
Yes. A novel is a fiction book. It is a story that is not real. It has characters and a plot.
So, a history book is not a novel?
Correct. A history book is non-fiction. A novel is a story.
Got it. The next phrase you used was from scratch. You said you make tomato sauce from scratch.
This is a great idiom. From scratch means you make something from the beginning. You do not buy it in a jar or a box. I buy the fresh tomatoes, and I cook them myself.
Making a cake from scratch is hard work.
It is. But it tastes better. Our last word is balcony.
A balcony is a small area outside of an apartment. It is like a small outdoor room connected to your house.
Exactly. I live in an apartment, so I do not have a big garden. I have a small balcony for my plants. Now, it is time for the most important part of the lesson. Speaking practice.
This is where you improve your accent.
I will say a sentence from our conversation. Then, I will be quiet. I want you to repeat the sentence out loud.
Don't be shy. Speak to your phone or computer.
Are you ready? Let's go. What do you do in your free time? I like reading books and watching movies. My weekend was very relaxing. I went to the park with my dog. Do you like cooking? No, I prefer to eat. I make pasta from scratch. Taking care of plants makes me feel calm.
Great job, everyone. That was excellent.
Before we finish, I want to talk about grammar very quickly.
Grammar is important. What are we looking at today?
We are looking at the simple present tense for hobbies. Notice that we use the verb in the simple form.
For example, I read books. I go to the park.
Correct. We do not say I am reading books when we talk about hobbies in general. We say I read books.
So, if someone asks what are your hobbies, I should say, I play tennis, not I am playing tennis.
Exactly. I play tennis means you do it generally, as a habit. I am playing tennis means you are doing it right now, this second.
That is a very helpful tip.
We are coming to the end of our podcast today.
Time flies when we are having fun.
It really does. Today we talked about hobbies like reading, cooking, and gardening.
And we learned words like relaxing, novel, and from scratch.
Listeners, we have a question for you today.
Question of the day. What is one thing you like to do on the weekend?
Please write your answer in the comments. I read every comment, and I love hearing about your lives.
Thank you so much for listening to English Made Easy with Lilian. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson.
Have a wonderful day, and keep practicing your English.
Bye everyone.
Goodbye.